Good morning everyone. Welcome to Current Affairs Kaksha. Today we are here with PIB news of 27th May 2021. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Who is the President of France whom PM Shri Narendra Modi called recently and sent him an invitation to visit India as soon as conditions permit? The options are H.E. Emmanuel Macron, Jacques Chirac, Nicolas Sarkozy and none of these. Answer is President Emmanuel Macron. PM Shri Narendra Modi called President of France H.E. Emmanuel Macron for the assistance rendered by France to India's COVID response. He also invited him to visit India as soon as the conditions permit. Next question is, who will launch the respiratory portal Ayush Sanjeevani app? Respiratory portal and Ayush Sanjeevani app. Options are Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ayush Ministry, Indian Navy Medical Staff and none of these. The answer is Ayush Ministry. Shri Kiren Rijiju, Union Minister of State for Ayush, will launch Ayush Clinical Case Repository and the third vision of Ayush Sanjeevani app in a virtual event. Ayush Clinical Repository app will be a support to both Ayush practitioners as well as general public. It will provide clarity about outcomes achieved by Ayush practitioners. It will also widen the solid scientific base of all streams of Ayush. It will also provide information about the healthy COVID patients and those who are treated by Ayush practitioners. Next question is, under which authority asset under management crossed the milestone of Rs 6 trillion? The options are PM Pension Yojana, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, Ministry of Finance and none of these. The answer is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. PFRDA announced that they have crossed the milestone of Rs 6 lakh crore, which is 6 trillion, of asset under management under the National Pension System and Atal Pension Yojana after 13 years. In last 7 months, asset under management growth is of Rs 1 trillion. Under PFRDA, NPS subscribers increased over with 74.10 lakh government employees. Total subscriber base of PFRDA has increased to 4.28 crore. Okay. Also, asset under management has grown to rupees 6,06,667.02 crore. Now PFRDA, it is a statutory body established by enactment of Parliament to regulate, promote and ensure orderly growth of national pension system and pension scheme to which this act applies. This was initially notified for central government employees recruits with effect from 1st January 2004 and subsequently adopted by all state government for its employees. Chairman of PFRDA is Supratim Bandyopadhyay. Which authority of India takes steps to ensure waiting time at toll plaza should be less than 10 seconds per vehicle? Options are Home Ministry, Ministry of National Highway Authority, State Governments of India and none of these. Answer is National Highways Authority. National Highways Authority of India has issued guidelines to ensure services not more than 10 seconds per vehicle even during peak hours at toll plazas. National Highway Authority of India, the Union Minister is Shri Nitin Gadkari. Chairman is Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Minister of State is Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh. NHAI was set up by an Act of Parliament, NHAI Act 1988. Okay. Next question is, who chaired the 27th meeting of Group of Members on COVID-19 as sharp decrease in active case load to 27 lakh from 37 lakh in few weeks? Options are PM Shri Narendra Modi, Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, Dr. Harshvardhan and none of these. The answer is Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Next is, who received the TDB National Award 2021 for recycling carbon technology and a commercial solution for conversion of CO2 to chemicals and fuels. Options are DRDO, Breathe Applied Science, both A and B, and none of these. Answer is Breathe Applied Science, a startup incubated at JNCASR. JNCASR is Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. TDB award is Technology Development Board National Award. So that's all for today. Thank you. I hope you liked the session. Subscribe to our YouTube channel CA Kaksha for daily current affairs, PIB updates, static GK and schemes, and also join our Telegram group for the PDF link of the video. Okay. Thank you.